Friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ottoh, and on this channel I share videos on food and business. Hit the subscribe button, then turn on your notification bell also so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. In today's video I'll share with you one of my peanut recipes. And this recipe is crunchy and yummy. You'll definitely love it. So if you're going into full-time peanut production as a business, this recipe makes exactly one custard bucket of peanuts. All the ingredients you'll need and the measurements will be in the description box below. The first thing I did was to measure out all the ingredients: flour, sugar, the baking powder, vanilla flavor, cinnamon flavor, and groundnuts. I also weighed the groundnuts. Then I divided the groundnuts into two parts. I also divided the flour into two parts because it will be a bit difficult to roll the whole of this 1.7 kg of groundnuts in one bowl. Okay, so I also divided the baking powder and added it to the different containers of flour. That's into two. Then I divided the groundnuts into two. Then next, you break up the eggs and add your sugar, vanilla flavor, salt, and cinnamon powder. Mix it thoroughly and also divide it into two. Okay. The main part is the rolling of these peanuts. Okay, so that's the area that requires a lot of strength. So you require strength. Sometimes your shoulder will even pain you, but you can afford, if you intend to go into this as a long-term, a business, and you want to do it full-time, you can save up and buy the peanut roller. I'm sure there will also be other cheaper machines, right? So here I've already divided the liquid mixture into two. So you just start by adding some of the liquid that contains the egg and all the other ingredients into the peanuts, turn it, and then you start sprinkling and adding the flour. So because I was doing a lot, I had to divide it into two, but as I proceeded further, it became more heavier, so I had to also divide it further. The idea is to make sure that all the flour enters into it. Okay, so you just keep repeating the process until all the egg enters, all the liquid mixture enters in, and then also the flour, you use up all. Okay, so that's basically what you keep doing. Keep rolling it and turning it, and you repeat the entire process for the whole batch of groundnut, and that's it, and you have your peanuts. So that's it. So this is me here trying to separate because there will be some flour remaining in the bowl. I was trying to separate the peanut from the flour because you don't need all that, so that it doesn't stain your oil so much that you have to start thinking of using more oil. Okay, so that's basically what I did here, and I'll be showing you the final yield of this peanuts. fry. I just showed you the oil I use, King's oil, the sachet. Make sure your oil is hot, then you put in, not too hot. You put in the peanut, fry at medium heat, okay, so it doesn't burn fast. Then fry until it is golden brown and your peanut is ready. So after everything, the whole frying process, I had to also weigh the peanuts because the peanut weighed 2.8 kg. So I took out some peanuts into this bowl for a better presentation and also for snapping, to use as for my thumbnail for this video and all that. Then this is me trying to weigh the peanuts and it gave me 2.8 kg. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. Thank you for watching.